वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। आज क्लास 8 का सोशल साइंस सेकंड लेसन व्हाट इज अराउंड अस, ठीक है, गुजरात बोर्ड का क्लास 8 का सेकंड लेसन लेने वाली हूँ। ठीक है, अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। ठीक है, तो इसमें फर्स्ट चैप्टर वर्कबुक का है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव from those given below each questions and write its relevant number letter in the provided against the question। इसमें फर्स्ट है, how many spheres does the earth have? इसका आंसर है 4। how much area of the surface of the earth does the lithosphere occupy? इसका 29% है। नेक्स्ट है, the crust of the earth is not broken because the balance between heat and pressure is maintained. How much surface area does the hydrosphere cover? 71%. How deep are the ocean trenches? 10 to 11 km. How much of Earth's total वाटर इज इन द ओशंस? इसका 97% है। अप टू हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स अबोव द सरफेस डज द एटमोस्फियर एक्सटेंडेड? 1600 किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज द प्रपोर्शन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इन द एटमोस्फियर? 78%। व्हाट इज द प्रपोर्शन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन द एटमोस्फियर? 21%. Next, the earth is protected from the excessive heat of the sun because, इसका सी आंसर है, ओजोन गैस absorb the ultraviolet rays from the sun। नेक्स्ट 11 है, which atmospheric gas dulge the intensity of oxygen? इसका सी आंसर है, नाइट्रोजन। Which gas causes global warming when increased in volume? CO2। Next, page number 12, filling the blanks with proper word or numbers in the following sentences। First है, in the solar system only Earth has favorable temperature, water and air to sustain life। Second है, the earth was a huge ball of fire ball from at the time of its origin। Third है, lithosphere is composed of soil and rock। Fourth, lithosphere covers approximately 29% of the Earth's surface। Mountain plateaus and plains have developed on lithosphere। Rocks which are in molten state in the interior of the Earth are known as magma। Next, 7, drinking water is a part of hydrosphere। Valuable mineral and chemical along with fish and salt are available in big amount from seas and ocean। Atmosphere contain about 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen। Ozone gas absorb ultraviolet ray of the sun। Next, 11, oxygen and nitrogen gases sustain life on earth। 12, nitrogen gas in the atmosphere reduce the intensity of oxygen। Because of dust particles in the atmosphere, it does not suddenly turn dark after sunset and it does not suddenly turn bright after sunrise. Next, atmosphere is necessary for radio broadcast and television. Next, biosphere is divided into non-living and living. The area that have more of vehicles show increased amount of carbon monoxide gas in the air. Next, page number 13. Question 3. True false. इसमें फर्स्ट है lithosphere occupies about 71% of the surface of the earth. False. When the balance between the heat and pressure is not maintained in the interiors of the earth, the crust of the earth breaks and water stream erupt. False. Next, rain is the main source of sweet water. True. Oceans are useful as waterway. True. There are various gases in biosphere. False. As we go higher from the surface of the earth, volume of most gases is reduced. True. Carbon dioxide is in abundance in the lower strata of the atmosphere. True. Next 7. Carbon dioxide is in abundance in the lower strata of the atmosphere. True. 8. Solid, liquid and gaseous elements are included in atmosphere. True. Biosphere is colorless, tasteless and odorless. False. We are able to hear sound due to the medium of biosphere. False. Dust particles reflect sun rays. True. Only the earth in the solar system has biosphere. True. Various types of living beings are included in biosphere. True. The amount of CO2 decreases due to the cutting of trees. False. Oxygen reduces the intensity of nitrogen. False. Match the pair correctly. Lithosphere इसका 4 आंसर है. Residence of all living organisms including human beings. Hydrosphere इसका 5 आंसर है. Sphere of water. Atmosphere का फर्स्ट आंसर है. Sphere of various gases. Biosphere का सेकंड आंसर है. बेसिस ऑफ लाइफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट पेज 14. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. इसमें फर्स्ट है व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द अर्थ एज अ मेंबर ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम. इसका आंसर है द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट ओनली द अर्थ अमंग ऑल द मेमोरीज ऑफ द सोलर फैमिली हैज गॉट द सुटेबल temperature, water and air. Next, which are the major spheres of the earth? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट है हिटोस्फीयर, हाइड्रोस्फीयर, एटमॉस्फेयर एंड बायोस्फीयर. To sustain living beings. What is magma? The temperature increases as we move towards the center of the earth. The molten rocks in the interior of the earth are known as magma. Next है why is the crust of the earth not broken? इसका आंसर है many gases present in the interior of the earth which rises up with pressure and heat, but the pressure of the rock of the surface of the earth is equally strong. Thus, balance between the two is maintained. So, the crust of the earth does not break. Next question है, which are the ocean on earth? These ocean are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Next question है, which element make up atmosphere? इसका आंसर है, atmosphere is composed of various gases, water vapor, dust particle, smoke, small salt, microorganism, etc. Next है, which gases make up atmosphere? Atmosphere colorless and odorless and transparent solid, liquid and gaseous element and included in the atmosphere. It contains approximately 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. How does ozone gas work? Ozone gas comprises of a very small proportion in the air. This gas absorbs the ultraviolet ray from the sun and protect the earth from excessive heat of sun. Next 9 question, where and when is the ozone gas found in greater proportion? Gas is more in proportion in the morning in the open ground and in the air near the sea. What is meant by condensation? Due to heat, the water in the form of vapor evaporates and mixes with of cooling of vapor is called condensation. Various form of moisture like dew, fog, cloud and participation are due to condensation. Next page है 15. इसमें फर्स्ट 11 क्वेश्चन है, वाई आर द रेडियो एंड द टेलीविजन transmission possible? The sun ray are affected back with the help of these dust particles on the surface of the earth and we receive the light of the sun. We are able to listen to the sound due to the presence of atmosphere, that is my radio and Doordarshan telecast is possible. Next है 11. Who are included in the living world? Biosphere included vegetables, animal, insects and human beings. We obtain food and many other necessary things from biosphere. Next 13. What is harmful for biosphere? At the cost of atmosphere exploitation, the nurturing link of nature are endangered due to due to the exploitation of environment which endanger the biosphere. Answer the following question in short. What do you know about our Earth? Write a short note. Our Earth is one of the member of the solar family. The most important point is that only the Earth among all the members of the solar family has got the suitable temperature, water and air to sustain living being extensions on. There is no proof of their other planet of the solar system. Second, how did the four sphere come into existence on the Earth? At the time of its origin, it was in the form of a fireball. This fireball started to cool down slowly. Many elements of the Earth got transformed into liquid and further into solid form. During this process, the element which got transformed into solid are known as the biosphere. The element which got transformed into liquid are known as the hydrosphere. Come to be known as the gaseous atmosphere above all living wood, which developed due to long water and air, came to the known as the biosphere. In this way, the four sphere came into existence on Earth. Explain the importance of lithosphere. Write 5 points. Importance of lithosphere. The solid part on which we live is known as the lithosphere. Litho means rock and sphere means layer. This layer occupies about 29% of the surface of the Earth and almost 64 km of 100 km thick landform like mountains, plateaus, plain, valley, etc. are seen on the lithosphere. Lithosphere is useful in many ways. It is the home of mankind. It gives spaces of constructing homes, obtaining fresh water and land for civil cultivation, as well as forest and useful mineral for industries. 4 question है, state the uses of hydrosphere. The liquid components of Earth is called hydrosphere. It includes oceans of seas, bays, straits, lakes, ponds, river, etc. The hydrosphere cover about 71% of the Earth surface. Uses of hydrosphere. First, hydrosphere provides with the fresh water. Next, most of the rainwater come from hydrosphere. Third, valuable chemical and mineral and obtained from seas and oceans. Fourth, a variety of aquatic life is sustained by oceans and seas. Fifth, salt is produced from the water. The tremendous force of waves, tides, and ocean current is a rotational sources for generating electricity. Seventh, ocean are also useful as waterway. State the uses of atmosphere. The sphere of air that wrap the earth front all side is called atmosphere. Extend up to about 1600 km from the surface to the earth, and it cannot be seen clearly with the naked. Uses of atmosphere. First है, oxygen in the atmosphere is essential to all living organisms on the earth. Second, nitrogen is necessary for the growth of vegetation. Carbon dioxide is the food for green vegetation. Fourth, nitrogen reduces the intensity of oxygen. Fifth, ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet sun ray and thus protect the earth from the intense heat of the sun. Ozone is also an invigorating gas. The dust particles in the atmosphere help to spread sun ray in all direction, so there is nature sudden light after sunrise, now sudden darkness after sunset. Dust particles reflect sun ray which help us to receive sunlight. These particles also help to form cloud. We can hear sound only due to the atmosphere. आज का ये वीडियो यहीं पे खत्म होता है. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, ठीक है. और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा ताकि बहुत सारे बच्चों को इसकी स्टडी मटेरियल मिलते रहे, ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.